Hello, it's Abigail of Ground and Grow Yoga, and today I have a seated / lying down detox flow for you to really wake up your digestion and start feeling better and having more energy. So hop on your mat and let's get started. Today we're going to start with our knees crossed, and we're going to sit up nice and tall, and I want you to allow your shoulders to drift back behind you. We're going to inhale, really expand the belly as much as you can. You can even place your hands on your stomach so you can feel it, but inhale, expand, exhale, release. Inhale, expand, exhale, release. Continue to do this. This is something that we really need help with because in America and really throughout the world now, there's a lot of pressure to have perfect six-pack abs, to feel like there's no sort of fat there or anything getting in the way. But our bellies and our diaphragms need to be able to expand and contract. Our diaphragms expand so that we can breathe, and our belly needs to expand to be able to take in food and process it. But when we're really sucking everything in and wearing tight clothes and restricting everything, it's really hard for our digestive system to work properly. It's also really hard for our respiratory system to work properly when we're restricting all those things. So I want you to focus on really releasing the belly. So we're releasing and contracting, releasing and contracting, releasing and contracting. From here, I want you to lift your arms up to the side. Inhale, get tall. Exhale, twisting from your hips, from your center. I want you to turn, bringing your hand to your knee. The other hand just rests anywhere behind you. So we're getting a gentle twist through the low back, through the spine. So breathing here. Don't yank on your body. The hand just comes to rest on the knee. If you can't twist that far, that's fine. Just rest it anywhere on the leg that's comfortable. We don't want to over twist through the spine. So breathing here. Inhale in, exhale, release. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale to the other side. So again, making sure that the belly is continuing to be able to expand even in this twist. The twists are really good for our internal organs because they help to compress and release them. It's kind of like a massage for your organs. Inhale in, exhale, release. And we're going to do it again. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist. Breathing here. Inhale in, exhale back to center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale over to the side. Breathing here, keeping a lot of length in the spine. Inhale in, exhale, come back to center, hands on knees. We're going to do little circles forward and back, moving from your navel. So chest comes forward and then rounds. Make sure your seat doesn't come off the ground at all. Just feeling into the side body, waking up the stomach. And then the other direction. Now we're going to bring one foot in, wherever's comfortable, in towards the groin. The other leg goes out straight and flex the toes back towards your face. And then if you have a block, you can use that either on the inside or outside of your leg, or you can just hold on to your leg wherever it's comfortable. I want you to inhale your arms up, exhale, keep the length in the side body, and just stretch towards your foot. So you could rest your forearm on the block, either in front or behind, but we'd really want to keep the length through the side body. You can also play with bringing the block further away. But we have length here, and we're also trying to keep as much length on the inside as well. You can stretch the arm up to get even more length through the side, but be careful not to collapse through the chest. We don't want to be reaching like this or like this. We really want to be open through the chest. Creating a lot of space again for all of our organs, for our diaphragm, our stomach, really keeping things from being cramped. Good. Inhale in, exhale, release, switching to the other side. One foot comes in, the other out. Flex the feet back towards your face. You can use the block or just your hand on your leg. Or inhale up, exhale, reach over. Keeping nice length through both sides of the body. You can also look up at your hand, but just don't collapse into it. Breathing here. Come back up. Send the other foot out so both legs are out. We're going to come forward slightly, but we don't want to lose the length through the torso. So I would extend the arms and just walk them forward, so that we're keeping this length through the side, not rounding. Really opening up the hips, flexing the feet back towards your head. And keeping your hands on the ground, I want you to bend your knees. And you might stay like this, or you might bring your hands behind you to come up into a squat. You could also use your block underneath your tailbone to come to sit in a squat. But we're continuing to open up the hips and also to enable our digestive system to be in alignment. So keeping the chest nice and open. So I can come like this, but my chest starts to collapse. So I like to use the block because it helps keep things nice and open. It's also fine if you're up. If you can't come down, that's fine. It all has to do with the flexibility in your hips and legs and also your bone structure. So wherever is comfortable for you to bring this into alignment. Breathing here. Then bring the left hand to the ground, right arm goes up towards the sky, feeling a stretch through the side body. And then switch. Switch again. Right arm goes up. And switch one last time. Left arm goes up. Okay, from here we're going to remove the block if we're sitting on a block and come to sit on our tailbone, feet out in front of us, knees bent. We're going to grab behind the knees and lower back as far as we comfortably can and come back up. Lower back and come back up. Lower back, come back up. Lower back. We're going to stay here and then we're going to lift one foot and then the other. So just little lifts. You're going to feel your core engage here. Want to keep your back nice and straight. Then you could try lifting both and lower. Both and lower. Maybe keep them at the 90 degrees. And lower, lift, and lower, lift, and lower. You could try releasing, just strengthening those muscles because that too helps with your digestion. And hold, release, place the feet on the ground, scoot the hips forward slightly. Grab behind the knees again and roll back. From here, we're going to bring our knees in towards our chest, grabbing them with our hands. We're going to do small circles. Don't be afraid to pull the knees in towards the chest to again massage those organs. And then the other direction. From here, we're going to allow the knees to fall apart, flex the feet, send the feet up towards the sky, and then hold wherever's comfortable, either on the back of the legs, the knees, the shins, your feet, wherever's comfortable for you. And we're in happy baby, so rocking side to side, straightening and bending the legs, whatever's comfortable for you here. You could just be in stillness, really opening up the hips. And then from here, bring the knees back together. We're going to keep the right knee in, send the left leg out straight, pull this knee in towards the chest, and we're in wind relieving pose. You can also bring the nose up to your knee. Release the head if you have it up, and then bring the knee across your body into a spinal twist. Breathing here. slowly roll back over. We're going to switch knees, bring the left knee in, right leg straightens out, left knee comes in towards the chest. Again, we can reach our nose up towards our knee or stay down on the mat. Inhale in, and on the exhale, knee crosses over the body. Arms can rest wherever's comfortable. Breathing here. When you're ready, come back to center. Reach the arms and legs out, stretching far away from each other towards all four corners. And then release. Hands come to chest and belly. Legs are out straight. And we're in Shavasana. So I want you to take a moment to breathe and notice if your belly or digestive system feels any differently after our practice. Hopefully it's feeling calmed and relaxed. And when we're in the rest and digest part of our neurological system, then we're able to better be able to digest and rest. So, breathing here. Stay here as long as time allows. If you can't, roll over to your side with me. And push yourself up slowly with your arms to come to a seated position. Thank you for taking this time for yourself to practice. Return to this practice whenever you need a easy detox or your belly's feeling upset at all. If this video helped, please let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like as well as comment and subscribe. Subscribers allow me to continue to make free content. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.